silent graffiti, we almost always start out with an overview where we go around the room and we think about all of the texts, and eventually we write something. And the writing is pretty open-ended. I'll give you some prompts for it, but we're just going to do an initial think and write. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to read other people's comments, and you're going to very specifically write back to those people. You're going to try to write it back to as many as you can. At the very end, I'm going to ask you to pick a particular one and do some reflecting on that particular one. So we've got, all right, a quick reminder of the tech here. When we're doing any kind of commenting on a document, we are not writing in the document. We are going to highlight what we want, and we're going to use the little plus sign to make a comment. But I want to encourage you guys to do this. Today, when you highlight, instead of highlighting an entire thing of text, you see there's not very much text. Can you guys please just highlight a word in the text and then add your plus, because somebody else might want to also comment on this piece of text themselves. And if we highlighted it, it's a little harder to do that. I'm going to ask you guys to begin to do your silent graffiti. Round one, find text that you can comment. What do you think about the situation? And I'm definitely opening up at this point to commenting on others' comments. Comment on other people's comments at this point, for sure. We're in round two. You're going to write your last comment right here in the comments in the margin. Just head it with either round three, or make it real clear that you're at you're answering. This is making me think that. We're in our last comment. What's the revelation or the realization you're coming up with, having looked at other people's comments?